Hi there, as a part of AgilePoint's version 10 release, we're happy to announce support for a universal AI Control Tower dashboard. This is a powerful feature to drive complete visibility and observability of any AI Control Tower agent running in your AgilePoint tenant, with all of the granular details required for large-scale, enterprise-safe usage of AI across your business operations. So as an application or platform level administrator, these details will be available to me within the Manage Center. In Manage, underneath Runtime Management, you'll see I have a new option here called AI Control Towers, which along the left-hand side is showing me all of the distinct AgilePoint applications that currently have control towers executing. So as you're seeing here, the home page is essentially an overview. But now that I've selected an application, I see more details about that particular control tower. In this case here, we have 4 control towers that have passed, 0 that have failed as of today, and gives me shortest, longest, and average execution time. But notice that these are clickable here, so we can always drill into the details of each instance of our application and examine the details of each control tower. Now we're going to come back to this in just a moment here, but down below we're seeing the details of this specific control tower. So as you can see here, you show the name of the control tower, the type of control tower it's leveraging, in this case here being chat completion and to initiate a dynamic sub-process, model name, as well as the triggering event, in this case here when a system activity has been completed. Now, in addition to the details you're seeing here, there is also a chart which shows me the historical execution of this control tower. And again, this is all clickable and I can drill down into further details. Now let's look into the control towers that have executed today. Now clicking into the details of control towers executed today, you're seeing an expanded set of information about each instance. On the left-hand side, we have a deep link to the instance of the process in Manage. This is where I would see visual audit trail, textual audit trail, more details on the control tower, and a whole host of other important information. And again, we'll see things like the control tower name, type, triggering event, session count, status, as well as actions. Now for any one of these, I can always drill into the details, seeing essentially all of the input, output parameters, and actions taken by a given control tower, which gives me very powerful auditing information in case I need to prove down the line how and when a control tower took action against my application, or to provide this data for ongoing model retraining. Okay, so coming back into our grid, I can always download these details and save them for later reuse. And again, additional audit information. When was this control tower first invoked? When was it completed? And the calculation showing the duration. Thus far, I have browsed for an application and shown all of the control towers included within that application. But across the top, I have the ability to search and filter for a particular instance, just like you might already be familiar with in the Manage Center. So first, I want to select an application by name. I know this application has open in the title, so I'll select that application. And then as a result here, showing all of the relevant process models within that application. From here, I can filter based on a number of different control towers and the actions that have been triggered. Now, date here is optional. If I do go with a date, I need to provide a range. So I'm going to go with those that have started in the last 7 days. Which again brings me to the same detail screen that we've just walked you through a few moments back. Now as a last step, let's go back to our homepage and look at an application that has multiple control towers. Okay, now you're seeing here a case where an application has multiple different control towers, and as you're seeing here on screen, those are shown in succession. Okay, so with that, that's going to conclude the content for this video. I hope this now gives you an understanding of all of the capabilities AgilePoint is providing to help you observe and manage all of your AI control tower agents wherever they might be running.